Hello friends, in today's video I bring you another mind-blowing stew recipe. Okay, so this is gonna be my third stew video on this channel. So to see the wonderful twists, just stay glued to your phone. Yeah, stay glued to your phone and watch this video to the end. Thank you so much. Please do not skip. Okay, so boil your protein with any seasoning of your choice. So this is turkey stew and I'll be using turkey, just turkey. So I seasoned with seasoning cubes, salt. In fact, seasoning with any seasoning of your choice. For bonus to build more flavor, I added rosemary leaf, fresh rosemary leaf, and trust me, this took this stew to another whole level. So after boiling my turkey, I grilled, and this is the oil from the turkey. Now I'll be using this oil to make my turkey stew. So no vegetable oil, no seed oil, just turkey oil. So this is all the oil I got from the turkey. Now I'm just going to transfer this to my parts, and you can see the color. Like, it's wonderful, really wonderful. Now I added fresh rosemary leaf and then my onion. Now I'm going to saute the onion and then go in with my tomato paste. Now at this point, we want to make sure we fry this tomato paste till it gets rid of sour taste. Now in between, I added bay leaf, and I'm just going to cover this and allow it cook on a medium heat. So I'll let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and at this point, I'll add in my roughly blended pepper, onion, and tomato. So this is my fresh tomato mix. Now I add my seasoning. I added seasoning cube, thyme, curry powder, and salt. So I'll give this a quick stir and I'll cover and allow it to cook. Okay, the stew is bubbling, it's cooking, it's bubbling. Okay, so I'll introduce my protein and then my stock. I'll cover this and allow it to cook. Now after some minutes, our stew is piping hot. Now I'm going to introduce my dry parsley. If you know me, you should know I'm a lover of parsley if you've been seeing my videos. Parsley is a must add to my stew because I love the flavor. Okay, so I'll just cover this and allow it simmer for some minutes, and our stew is ready. It's bubbling, it's piping hot, it's colorful, a healthy pot of stew without any vegetable or seed oil, just oil, or rather fat from the turkey. This is a healthy pot of stew. Let me know if you'll be trying, and please do not forget to take out the bay leaf, because if left for long, it could give your stew a better taste. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.